Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Annie Stacy here. So today's video is all about kaolin clay, or what we locally call in Cameroon Calabar chalk, or simply Calabar. So yeah, I'll be showing you guys how I turn this into a powder form for easy use on your hair and skin. So yeah, if that's something you're interested in, make sure you keep watching the video till the end. So let's get started. Kaolin clay is also called China clay or white clay. In many parts of Africa, they have different names for it. Like for example, in Nigeria, I think they call it Nzu, and in Ghana, it's called Ayilo. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Yeah, but in different parts of Africa, we have this clay, and we call it different local names. As you can see, I'm placing them inside a thick plastic bag, and then I'll just double it over. I don't want it spreading all over, that's why I'm putting it in a plastic bag. And I remember in primary school, we used to do it like this and then take it to school and sell it. Like a teaspoon was like 25 francs or so. So yeah, that's what I'm just doing from that same experience. I'm just using the plastic bag because if I were to just put it on the chopping board, it's going to get all over the place. So yeah. So what I'm doing right now is just trying to crush those large chunks of the kaolin clay into smaller pieces so that I can be able to grind it into a smoother consistency. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. When the pieces are small enough, I'll just take them out of the plastic bag and place them on the chopping board in little portions, and then I'll begin to grind it, as you can see. So yeah, I'm just trying to achieve that very powdery consistency, very smooth. So yeah, this is the process. I'll just keep grinding and grinding and then adding on top of it. When it's smoother, I'll add another portion of it until I'm done with it. Kaolin clay is mostly white in color, but it could have different colors depending on the mineral content. That's why sometimes you see some looking pinkish, reddish. Yeah, it's because of the different mineral content they have. And when I used to eat this stuff, I used to prefer the pinkish, reddish one. Now it's time to sieve the powder I got from grinding. So yeah, I'm going to use the sieve with relatively larger holes, and if the consistency is not smooth enough, I'm going to use another sieve with a smaller hole, or with smaller holes, sorry. And yeah, to get off all those big chunks, and I really want a very smooth powder. And of course, the consistency wasn't smooth enough, so I went in with this sieve with very small holes. So yeah, this is the final step. I just want to sieve and make sure that it's really smooth and dusty. So yeah, you can see that those chunks are a bit bigger. So I'll just keep doing this until I'm done. These are the pieces that could not go through the sieve. So yeah, they're almost half and half. They're like almost equal. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and place my kaolin clay powder, or my DIY kaolin clay powder, into this mason jar. You want to make sure air doesn't get into it so that it doesn't clump together. So you want to preserve it very well in an airtight container. I went ahead and grounded this portion again into a smoother powder, and then went through the process of sieving 2 times to get the very smooth powder I wanted. And yeah, so when I'm done, I'll just go ahead and add this other one again into the jar with the other one I first of all got. So yeah, when I'm done, the powder is ready to be used on our hair and skin. By the way, kaolin clay is very good at absorbing dirt from the hair and also deeply cleanses the pores, so it's good for both our hair and our skin. So if you're looking forward to detox your hair and skin, you might want to consider using kaolin clay. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. This is my DIY kaolin clay, not this one. Yeah, this one. This is my DIY kaolin clay. So it's ready to be used. If you want to see me use this on my hair and skin, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on post notification so that you'll be notified when I upload that video, because it's coming up next. Thank you again, and bye bye.